He just bought me a car without asking.
Yeah.
And he even bought me the latest phone.
Yeah.
I'm going to teach you how to access VO3 AI for free and how you can use it to create your long, consistent videos. Without wasting your time, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your Play Store because we are using our phone to do this. I'm going to teach you a very simple method to create your videos and to generate your images, and it's very, very fast. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your Play Store and you're going to search for Tinker by Shopify. You see, once you see it, this is the one. Once you see it now, you're going to click on download because I already have it on my phone. I use it to create my movies, so I already have it before. That's why it's showing me open. For you, you need to click on download, and once you download it, you're going to click on open like this. Once you click on open, it's going to tell you to sign in if you don't have an account, and if you already have an account, you need to log in. So because I already have an account, my account is already logged in. So this is what it's going to bring for you once you create an account. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go down here and you're going to click on type to create now. Once it brings you to this interface, if you don't have an image, you just want to generate your image, you can use this place. But we want to generate video now. So we are going to move to this side and we're going to click on videos now. And so that we can confirm that it's on Google View now, you need to click on this down arrow now. Once you click on it, it's going to show you all AI tools that you can use on this app. You can use Google View, you can use Clean Video Generator, and you can use Clean Video Editor and Dance on this app. But the one we want to use now is Google View Video Generator. So you click on it and you continue. Next thing you're going to do now is that you're going to paste your prompts here and you're going to put your picture that you want to animate and so on. So first, let's start with inputting our prompts. I already have what I want my prompt to say. So I'm going to type it now because I don't want the video to even be up to 6 minutes. So I don't want to waste your time. So I just finished writing my prompt now. What you're going to do is you're going to click on this mark button now. Once you click on it, you see that it's already there. You need to tell it that the lady in black top says, so that it knows which of the lady is saying what. So I want the lady in black top to say, he just bought me a car without asking, and he even bought me the latest phone. So this is what I want them to say in this video. Now I'm going to input the photo that I want to turn to a video. Now I'm going to select it, start frame now. So I'm going to click on this plus sign. Once I click on this plus sign, it's going to take me to my photo library. So I'm going to choose the image that I want now. So I want to choose this second image. I'm going to click on done now. Once you click on done, it's going to upload. So while this is uploading, let me show you the next thing you're going to do. You're going to click on these additional settings now. Once you click on these additional settings, you click on allow Tinker to improve your prompts for better results. Yes, I want it to improve it. You leave it like that. Then you choose the aspect ratio. If you want it for a TikTok video or a Facebook video, you leave it on vertical. But because we want this for a YouTube video, we are going to put it on landscape now. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to choose the duration. How many seconds video do you want to create? So this is a 6 seconds video. Once you finish creating it, we are going to take all the videos, all the 6 seconds video that we created to our editing app, where we are going to merge it together and put a lot of human efforts. We are going to put our sound effects, our animation, and our subtitle and so on, so that YouTube will say that it's not just AI that we use to create this thing and come and dump it on their platform. We use our human efforts also. We added our human inputs. We edited the video by ourselves. The next thing you're going to do is you scroll up now and you generate audio with it. If you don't want to generate audio, I know you've seen some of these AI movies whereby they are not going to be saying anything. It's going to be animated, right? But somebody is going to narrate the story from start to finish, but the video is animated. So if you don't want, you can just off this audio. So they'll be doing gesture without saying anything if you put this off. But I want it to have audio, so I'm going to leave this on now. This negative prompt, I'm going to leave it. Now you click on this slide to generate for it to generate. So you are going to wait for it to generate for a while. It's going to bring you to this interface when it's generating. One good thing about this AI tool is that it can make your prompt better. If it sees that, okay, this prompt that you did now, you need to put, as in, it can make it better by doing this and that, it's going to do it for you. But you can also switch it off so that it's not going to tamper with your consistent images or your consistent videos. So you can turn it off if you don't want it to tamper with it. If you want your output to be exactly the same, you can turn it off. That okay, I don't want this AI to touch my prompts. So don't edit my prompts, don't make my prompts better. I want it exactly as I'm giving you. So because if you turn it on, sometimes you might see that the images are different from what you created. So you just need to turn it off like that so that it's going to be exactly what you're generating. So for the sake of this tutorial, you can leave it on. And once you see that you're generating video and the video length is too small and you can't generate more videos, you can switch emails. You understand? Once you switch emails, you'll be able to create as many videos as possible. You understand? And if you see that you don't want to go through the stress, you can just pay for the pro version. If you can afford it, you can pay for the pro version if you don't want to use this free tool. But for us, we are going to be using free tool. So this is our video. Our video just finished generating. I'm going to download it and show you exactly what it looks like. Now to download your video, you're going to click on these three dots here. Once you click on these three dots down here, it's going to show you these things and you're going to click on download. So by downloading it, it's going to move to your gallery now, and from that you keep generating all your images. You see how neat it is and it's very consistent. You see that our picture that we use, I'm going to show you the picture and I'm going to show you the video now so that you see that everything stays consistent. This app is truly the best and is very, very fast to use. And I even told this AI to make my prompt better. So let's play it and see what it looks like. Now see the image that we turned to video. You see that it's consistent with the video that it generated.
He just bought me a car without asking.
Yeah.
And he even bought me the latest phone.
Yeah.
So can you see how good this video is now? Tell me if you found this video helpful. Drop a comment for me in the comment section, because on this channel, I'm going to be bringing you free tools and how to make your life easier as a content creator. So if you don't have any money to start your content journey, don't tell me that, oh, I don't have money to buy a laptop. You don't need a laptop to start YouTube automation. You only need your phone and data. So far you have data, you can start creating for free, and this is 100% monetizable. So you don't need to be scared that, oh, after doing all this, maybe YouTube is not going to monetize it. YouTube is going to monetize it. You just need to put human effort into your videos. I hope you understand. You need to put enough human effort into your video by editing it the right way. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section. And if you still have any question you need to ask, just type it in the comment section and I'm going to reply you. You can just check back that same day and you will see that I've replied to you already. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching my video and see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.